Good day and welcome to Ademola Open Services, and today we are going to dive into the aspects of QR code creation. You as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, hiring a web designer may be challenging, but at least you should be able to do some little tasks by yourself. Among these things that I believe you need to be able to do is how to create a barcode, a QR code for your design or products, as the case may be, so that when people scan through it or when people view them, you can easily track their metrics of people that actually saw the products. And so in this tutorial, what we'll be doing is that we must have, if you want to follow this sequence as well, you need to have a Bitly account. Just go to app.bitly.com and click on create an account. Because if you don't have an account, you won't be able to check all other links that you may have created. Now, this is my own account. I've signed in and you can see my name here. Alright. So that is one. Another thing is that you must have the link of that either web page or social media profile, as the case may be. Like my own, I am working for an NGO, so I created a form for them. In the last video, I created a form for them, and that form now I want to include it in their call for volunteer flyer. So I'll have to create that. I'll have to create the QR code and put it on their flyer so that people can snap it, and from there they can register seamlessly instead of having to type the barcode. Alright, so now that is that. Then I need to tell you part of this thing that you might not know on this app. When you get here, this is how it should be after you've logged in. You see all this thing. So now this area is going to create a new Bitly. And this is the home tab. If I click on here now, it's taking me to the home tab. So currently I am at pages, but if I click here now, it should take me to the home page where it shows my dashboard, what I've done before. Alright. So from this home, I can also create a short URL. You can see short link or QR code. That is two things that you can create directly. And if this page, you can click here and start pages. Then you want to connect several accounts that you have. So maybe you have like Chrome now, you can connect with your Chrome, your Canva, for people that design different products, Adobe Express, and so other. So you can see, and here you can check analytics. So links, you see, it shows different links that I've worked on at the past. Though I've cleared my interface, only some that I couldn't delete. I don't know why. So like this now, you can see chatbot demo, Google Drive. This Excel Mind, I have 6 people that have engaged on it. 6 people that have engaged on it. Exclusive uses 1 engagement. So you can see. So this different this thing that I've created, and I mean 125 engagements. You can see. So the same way, if you created some link, you will be seeing the analytics here. You can see that it's been long that I've been using Bitly. 3. I don't know, I've been using this 3 Wow. I didn't know I've stayed so far for long on this app. 2021. Wow, 2020. So I've been using Bitly since 2020. More than 5 years ago. Okay, no problem. Coming. 2020, you bet. 2019, wow. You can see. 2019, still can't see. From August 2019, but I've been on this Okay, that is not where we are going to. So the same thing, as you can see, engagement, the date. Is there any tag that I put there? I didn't put any tag. So this is how those guys, this is how they work. All right. So let's see. Then pages. I've not tried pages before. I've not created any pages before. I don't think I'm going there. Let me just go back to home or create new. Let me go back to home and create a new. Now I want to create a new link. It's a short link. I don't need short link. Let me just create short link and then QR code before. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it in two ways. I'll shorten the URL link, then create a QR code because some people might not have phones that can scan and enter a website. So those people you just have to enter it on their web URL and click send. For those people that have phones with subscripted camera that can scan QR code, so they can go with the QR code. So now I've gotten my link copied before. So I'll just control V. This is a link. Now say create a bit link. Now your link is ready. Now that it is ready now. This is a bit link. This is it. It's ready. So now I can now copy the link again. All right. View link details. Now let's go and view the link details. And this is the link now. One thing is that as I've created this link now, as I've shortened it, I can still edit it for easier remembrance. So come here, I click on edit. The back now, this one for this. So for it to be easier for me, you can see instead of this, I can now say, so far people have not used work CC 2025 registration 2025 social SM volunteer year 2025 SM volunteer. Good. If there is no people that people that have used this thing, it will show. Good. It cannot be used before, so it gives me this thing to use. Nice one. After I'm done now, I can now say create QR code. With this thing now, I will create the QR code. Let me copy this first, then create QR code. So it's asking me what style do I need? Do I need this style or this style? Look at it. In this style, you can see 2, 3, and weekly here. So corner. So can you spot the difference between these two? 1, 2. Can you spot the difference? So for this one, look at here. It's a bit curve. Edges, they are a bit curve. But this one is sharp. Now let's check for this one too. Any pattern? Do you recognize any pattern? One is smaller, one is bigger. That's just what I observed there. Now, is there any preset color that I want for this? If you want any color, you can put it. If it is this, you can see this is a color. Now it shows single color. If I don't want single color, I want gradient. So gradient is not for free user. Single color. Now this is white color, green color. So it doesn't give me the opportunity to change to other color. So it is locked. But notwithstanding, let me just stay with a black. Okay. After this, so say I should add a logo or context text. So here, I doubt if it will allow me because it is not a premium version. But let me see if it will allow me to add logo. It's not showing. It said I should do it before I can add it. So now I'll add frame. Scan me. This one. Let me add this one. Scan me to it. So that it will tell you that okay, you must scan this code. Good. Scan me. Nice one. So after I'm done with this, so if I don't want to show this bit.ly, I want to put my own, I need to upgrade. So this thing, but bit.ly logo will always be there automatically. So there's nothing I can do. Create your code. Good. Now the code is correct. So if you have a Android phone, if any phone that can scan code that has good camera, you can scan it directly from here. You see yourself at the back where you can easily join as a volunteer for our project, our campaign project. So here is this copy, right? I'll copy it now. And this is a barcode. So I'm taking something. I need to screenshot this thing because I want to put it in a design. So Windows Shift S. Okay, it's even here. Download. Let me just download. No, I don't think I need to. I want to download the PNG. So I will use it. Download PNG. Let me download the PNG. Let me see. So I downloaded this. Good. Now, having done this, I can now go back to my Canva and search for my work that I'm doing that I want to input that code into. All right. Okay. So this is how Bitly is. If you have watched it to this level, you are done with how to create barcode. So not only on Bitly, you can use, there are many websites that you can create a short URL, barcode. You go to tinyurl.com. There are many. Just search for on Google where you can create barcode. Where can I get barcode? So you see several applications, several options that you can do. So this is for CSEC, CSEC, and this is where I'm coming from. Now, having done this, the next thing is that I need to include that barcode. Now, with this information that is there, I think I need to delete this one. This way. I'm going to delete this. Yes. Now, here, I will need to add the code. Upload. So Now, with this, I want to upload an image. That will be the image that it just download now. Once I upload it and add it to the design, and we get to the final stage of the design. So this is the barcode. So click on it, open. Good. Now I've added it to the design. Next thing is to resize it perfectly. Mhm.